biasly just letting it be to the end, where she didn't even make she didn't want to make any more decisions, and she closed it. And then when the next I called the family court, they closed it too, because there's nothing else to do. I'm already done, and she ain't showing up. So then now is the new case that she has to show up and be like, look, this case has been closed. I've been waiting. Since last year, I filed for custody, and because of this injunction she had, what happened? I couldn't get I couldn't get to serve her because she used an injunction to move, and I had to pay. Exhausted my funds paying for an investigation to try to find the address to serve her so I could get custody of my son, and to tell the judge all the negligent things that were happening to help my son and help us be together and be a family. So I took all the steps. I did, and you could see that I need it. For me and my son, yeah. You right. That's it. That's me. That's us. And still, like, I've been waiting for, exhaustion. And then I paid a lawyer one time to see if anything would be changed, and the judge was saying no to everything. And then I'm thinking, if I had to go pay a lawyer again and again and again, which my funds already exhausted to the end. So what was left was the judge, me putting a hearing and showing up, and then the petitioner never showing up for months and months and months and months, 5 to 6 months. And the judge is not ruling on anything, so I could see my son. And the petitioner's not caring about my time sharing or whatever situation is going on. I'm saying that's a very neglectful thing, and this is what I'm feeling, and this is what it is. And I'm telling the judge, and I'm telling that, it has to boil down to our responsibility, and that responsibility is me and my son. And you are in between that right now. You're getting in between that, but you've been getting in between that. I put a hearing to dismiss the whole case because of it. Then the next thing you know, the petitioner gets arrested for what I already have mentioned. The judge now takes herself out of the case without letting me know, and then another family court has it. Family court closes it because there's nothing else for me to do. There's nothing else. I finished the advocate program classes, and I'm waiting for you, Bobby. But thank you for those that did reach out for me and supported me, and thanks but no thanks for those that didn't, that gave us superficial and gave us superficial care, that gave their fronts, that gave their fronts, their manipulation to go around the fact that, that the child is not being taken care of and is being neglected, and to look good around that it's not a good look, and it's not a good front. And the judge wanted to leave and paint the picture for me and my son, and she wanted to draw the picture to take people's identities, really, and destroy it in whatever way they can. And then they feel they could just drop it and leave with no responsibilities for all the negligence and the actions that's being done. Is hurtful. It's is the challenge that me and my son and God will prevail from. Thank you all. That is all.